If you had to have one part of your body that was slimy, what part would it be?
What?
Slimy.
Okay, if one part of your body was consistently slimy, what would it be?
Wouldn't you want your dick to be slimy? So it's like free
Yeah,
lube.
okay. What's the negative of that? You just have prelude. It's great.
Yeah, is it sticky or is it smooth?
It's not a good slime.
What does that mean?
It's
You
the
gotta
type of slime women won't want inside them.
Well, I thought you meant like
but they
slimy.
won't
Just
they
the
won't
texture
see
is
if
slimy.
they won't see.
No, it's like nasty slime.
Oh, I didn't say that.
Yeah.
That's what slime is.
No, but slimy is a type of texture. Like it's a texture.
Okay, if you
of
could have
material.
one part of your body that was disgusting slime, what would it be?
Probably not your tongue.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. I'm just thinking of moist places.
In the anal cavity? No, it's gotta be
Yeah,
like.
exactly.
It's gotta
That's
be,
what I was
it's gotta
thinking
be
just now.
outside. It's gotta be outside.
The outside. The hole.
It's gotta be in your epidermis.
Ear canal.
Oh.
You just pull your earphones out and it's covered in goo.
It's just like they are now.
No, it's a lot worse.
Earwax is pretty disgusting.
Your toenails.
Oh no. Just your feet, the entire bottoms of your feet.
Oh, you don't even need to wear shoes. You can skate everywhere.
Just slide.
It's genius. It's genius. What the hell?
I was thinking you just have it on your knees so you just rollerblade on your knees everywhere.
What's the point of the rest of your legs?
Just cut them off at the bottom of the knees so you can just train quads and don't have to worry about calves.
Shit.